Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about how to become successful. We're going to use 7 awesome tips from a famous book called Think and Grow Rich. These tips have helped people for a long time, and they can help you too. The first tip is to have a really strong desire for what you want. It's like really wanting something. When you can picture your goals clearly, it's like having a map to get there. This helps you stay motivated and focused, which is super important when things get tough. Number 2 is to be super clear about your goals. It's like having a target you're aiming for. This helps you make smart choices that take you closer to your dreams. In a busy place, knowing exactly what you want is a big advantage. The third tip is to believe in yourself. It's like being your own cheerleader. When you believe you can do it, it gives you the confidence to overcome challenges and succeed in an exciting but always changing market. Tip number 4 is all about teamwork. Surround yourself with people who have big dreams too. Working together helps you see things from different angles, share resources, and support each other. In a global city, having a strong network is a huge help on your journey to success. Number 5 is to never give up. It's like running a race. You might stumble, but you gotta get back up and keep going. In a competitive world, persistence is what sets apart the winners. The 6th tip is to think positive thoughts. It's like talking nicely to yourself. When you fill your mind with positive thoughts and imagine yourself succeeding, it can actually make a big difference in your actions and results. This is super helpful for making smart decisions in a fast-paced business world. And finally, number 7 is about using your energy wisely. It's like turning your passion into fuel for your goals. This can give you an extra boost of motivation and creativity, helping you achieve amazing things in an exciting business environment. So, there you have it. 7 powerful rules from Think and Grow Rich that can help you create wealth and achieve your dreams. Remember, success is a journey, not a race. Take it one step at a time, believe in yourself, and never stop learning and growing. Thanks for watching.